Hi there. We're so glad that you're interested in registering for the Christians in the Marketplace Chaplaincy Training School in partnership with Chaplains International. As you may already know by now, our classes meet virtually via Zoom. However, we also do use a platform called Teach and Go, which is where any class documents, such as a class calendar, is uploaded, class assignments are uploaded, your attendance is taken on this platform, and also any fees that may be due are also highlighted on this platform. This video is meant to help you just to process through registration if you're having some issues navigating how to register for a course of ours. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. Prior to diving in, I do recommend that you do this on a desktop or a laptop rather than a cellular device. So that is my recommendation for you. Without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and we'll get started. You will see the primary registration link. This is the home page of where you can choose your class day and time that works best for your schedule. Those in East Africa, please do keep in mind, and other places around the world, that our classes are referenced via the Eastern Standard Time. So East Africa, for example, you will want to register for any of our morning classes. Just wanted to use that as an example and just a reminder. So these classes, for example, Monday, Wednesday, they meet for 1 hour on Mondays at 11:30 in the morning, 11:30 to 12:30 Eastern Standard Time, and again on Wednesday from 11:30 to 12:30 Eastern Standard Time. So this is a weekly rhythm of twice a week. We do have a Saturday class, just as a reminder, that meets for 2 hours. That's the only exception, from noon Eastern Standard Time to 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. So weekly, if you wanted to do the Saturday class, do keep in mind it's a 2-hour course. So here you'll be able to learn more about the course specifically. So there are 20 total lessons for this particular course. The cost is $359, due on Friday, July 12th. And for those in East Africa, please keep in mind, due to the currency, it's $299. We do offer a payment plan. So once you register via this platform, you'll go ahead and be automatically given a payment plan. And these are the due dates and the amounts of when those payments would be due. If you do desire to pay the full amount up front, please email our office. That way we can update your invoice once you're in the system. chaplains@wearecimp.com is the best email to contact us with. Otherwise, just know that it'll automatically default to the payment plan. The reason each class course says $35 is because that is the initial non-refundable registration fee. So if you continue to do our course, this goes towards your total class balance. So you'll click on whichever course works best for your schedule. Notice that the number 1 comes up right beside selected class. You'll then proceed to click on Continue to Enroll. From here, the page will change to where you're prompted to register as a new student. So it says, "Are you a new student?" You'll click on the link Register, and it'll lead you here to the registration page. Now, for the sake of this demonstration, I'll be using a sample name. This is not anyone's name in particular, just for the sake, again, of this demonstration, just using just an example. Be sure to fill in all fields for us. Just a reminder too that A high school diploma is all that's required for completing our course. But we like to ask if you perhaps have seminary experience or are ordained, and you'll see that here shortly. This is again a section where you would choose the class time that you're wanting to register for. Please be careful to read carefully. Here is the desired payment option. So again, this reflects the total cost. So since I reside in the USA, I will choose $359. Ideally, $359 is what you want to go for because the price does go up to $379 after July 12th. And the final cutoff is July 19th before you would be removed from the course and encouraged to apply for a different semester. Desired method of payment. So this the next page will lead you to make a payment. Just know that through this application, you'll have the option to, and you'll see it shortly, pay online or via PayPal. We want to recommend those two sources primarily to make payment because that is what is connected to our invoicing system with Teach and Go. You will see that there's a Cash App option. Please do try to consider, however, PayPal or the credit card option. If for some reason you really can only do the Cash App, that's when you would also contact our office to pay the remaining balance after paying your $35 registration fee, okay? Okay, so then be sure to click I'm not a robot. Then you would save your application. Then it asks you to confirm enrollment, double check that this is the correct class time and days that you want to be enrolled in. Would click enroll. And this is where it leads you to the payment. Okay, so again, the total course cost is not $35. This is the registration fee. And that's where you will then choose PayPal or the debit or credit card option. Okay, so please keep in mind, once you follow through with payment, you are considered enrolled in a course. And from there, you will receive a separate email from Teach and Go to create a portal login. That email will come in the coming days, and that will give you instructions in how to create an online portal that I was mentioning. And that's where you'll be able to have access to class documentation that will be uploaded, and you'll be able to see any fees that are coming up. So it's very much a helpful tool. So I hope this video was very useful to you. Feel free to use it as a reference. After trying this, if you still have any questions, feel free to contact our office during office hours. We're available Monday through Friday, and we'll be happy to help assist. God bless.